Hello guys, my name is Nagashekar and you are watching Tech Market. In this job news episode number 4, we had few openings from Hexaware, IBM, Mail, Walmart and Vodafone. If you are watching channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for notification. And if you want more information related to this placement, you can follow us on Instagram and Telegrams. Links are provided in the description. And if you want to call us, you can install Call Me For app in Play Store and you can call us. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Coming to job update number 1, the job update number 1 is from Hexaware. Hexaware is going to hire freshers for the role of hiring graduate trainee. And the basic eligibility criteria is you should complete your degree in BSc or BCA. And the year of passing should be 2021. And you should have 60% aggregate in your degree. And you should not have any active backlogs. And you should complete your 10th and 12th with 60%. And you should complete your BCA or BSc in the field of computer science or electronics or mathematics or statistics. Coming to the preferred location can be Mumbai or Pune or Bangalore or Chennai or Coimbatore or Noida. Coming to openings, there are 100 openings for this job, and the expected salary would be 19,000 per month in first year, 21,000 per month in second year, and in third year you will be considered as an Hexaware employee, and the salary would be based on your performance and as per the company norms. Coming to the skills, you need to have good communication skills, and you need to be highly adaptive to situations, and you need to have right attitude. And if you want to apply for this job, if you are a degree student, the link is provided in the description. Please apply for this job. Coming to job update number 2, the job update number 2 is from IBM. IBM is going to hire freshers for the role of support engineer. Coming to basic eligibility criteria, you need to be a graduate in BE or BTech or MCA, and you need to have 0 to 4 years of experience. And the preferred location is Bangalore. Coming to the skills, you need to have good analytical skills and problem solving skills, and you need to have good communication skills, and you need to be expertise in C, C++ and Java, and you need to have good knowledge in operating systems and troubleshooting. And if you want to apply for this IBM job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 3, the job update number 3 is from Mail, that is Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited. This is going to hire freshers for the role of graduate engineer trainee. And coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should be a BE or BTech or diploma student, and you should complete the above degrees in electrical or civil engineering or mechanical engineering. And coming to year of passing, the year of passing should be 2019 or 2020. Coming to the preferred location can be across the India, and the experience should be from 0 to 5 years. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. If you are a mechanical or a civil student, please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 4, the job update number 4 is from Walmart. Walmart is going to hire freshers for the role of software support engineer. Coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should complete BE or BTech in the fields of computer science or IT or electronics. Coming to the preferred location can be Chennai or Bangalore, and there are 5 openings for this job. The required skills are: you need to have knowledge in C, C++, Java and relational database. The expected salary is from 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 5, the job update number 5 is from Vodafone. Vodafone is going to hire freshers for the role of engineering trainee, and the basic eligibility criteria is you should be any graduate. And coming to the preferred location, it can be across the India. Coming to the skills that are required for Vodafone are data modeling, data visualization, data analytics and data insights, data management and data transformation, and you need to have good knowledge on machine learning, deep learning and artificial intelligence. And if you want to apply for this Vodafone job, please go through the link that is given in the description and apply for this job. Coming to job update number 6, the job update number 6 is from Dhanush Infotech. This is going to hire freshers for the role of software developer. And coming to basic eligibility criteria, you should be an any graduate, either it can be BE, BTech, MCA or MTech. Coming to years of experience, 0 years of experience can be required for this job. The skills required for this job are, you need to know ASP.NET, and you need to know about MVC, you need to know about Entity Framework, you need to know about MySQL Server, and you need to know about .NET Framework Core. And coming to the preferred location can be Hyderabad or Secunderabad. If you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go through the link and apply for this job. That's it for this episode, guys. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications. And if you want more updates, you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. And if you want to call us, you can install Call Me4 app from Google Store and you can call us on that app. That's it for this video. Signing off, Shekhar.